So I've been working on my house. Well, been getting rid of the boat. There's some boat videos, and I'll show you the boat in a second in case it's not on the same video. But yeah, getting the house ready for selling. So I'll show you what my project is today. Because while I was working on the boat, I'll show you the boat while I'm talking. The dog decided that he needed to escape the yard. There's the boat. I'll show you what it used to look like too. And so now I need to go and fix where he's got out. So when I had the electrician come, I had to fix this little spot, and I haven't put it back together, and then the dog can crawl under the house. So then I fixed that temporarily until I fix it properly. But he's found another hole, and I feel like it's over here somewhere. So today's job is to clean up this area. Fun? Fun. So I figured it out. It goes through the under the house, through the back, under my deck. There's a little hole I'll have to fix. And then it comes out over here. So I gotta clean out this area, fix this, and fix the deck. So now I gotta clean out this area. And it comes out through this little hole underneath here. So next is cleaning out this. All right, I just have to go get a drill bit and fix the hole. There's the new spot cleared out. And I'll have to put some of those things in, fix the hole. We are nice and cool today. We're doing one final cut in this boat here. And then it's supposed to rain this afternoon for 2 days. When you get old, these things get heavy.